everybody! In this tutorial I'm going to show you the starting point where to create a data definition. Let's start from the beginning. Every time you load or connect your data, SelfBi creates a data definition. A data definition, therefore, contains the specific data you have chosen to analyze. This is the panel. You can reach it and use this panel in 4 different ways. When you are in the library, just by clicking on New Data Definition. When you create a new analysis, after writing a title and a description. When you are in Edit and you want to add a new data definition, just by clicking on Add in the Data panel. And if you open a saved analysis in which there are no data, the panel opens by default. In any of these cases, the panel asks you to choose the source of your data definition: spreadsheet, clipboard or notes, database, or library. Let's have a quick view of how to create a data definition. To load your data from a spreadsheet, drag and drop your file directly in this box. Or click here to browse your folders and choose the file. To load your data from clipboard or notes, click on this box and paste your clipboard or notes in the window that appears. If you need to select different data or modify some settings, click here. To connect your data from a database, click on this box and query your database with an SQL by using drivers. You can click here to see the data results. If you want to change the selection, you can return to query by clicking here and insert different strings. To connect your data from a data definition saved in your library, click on this box and search the title of one of your data definitions. Now it's your turn. Remember that your feedback makes SelfBi even more self-service. So if you have any comment or question, please contact us.